Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and enabling necessary services. Plug the iPhone into the car with a certified cable for wired CarPlay, or pair via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for wireless CarPlay. This ensures a stable data link. Once done, unlock the phone and allow CarPlay when the prompt appears, because permission is required to project apps. Make sure Waze is installed and updated so it appears on the CarPlay home screen. If it doesn't, restart the app and the car head unit. Once CarPlay is active and Waze is visible, tap the Waze icon to launch navigation on the car screen. This projects the app UI for hands-free use. You must grant location and microphone access on the iPhone so Waze can provide routes and voice instructions. That's why permissions earlier matter. After the app loads, use the Waze settings on your phone to set preferred voices, routing options, and avoidances, because those settings control what you'll see and hear while driving. To finish, enter destinations via Siri or the CarPlay search to stay focused. You can also tap recent or saved places on screen. If Waze doesn't show audio, navigation, or loses connection, disconnect and reconnect the cable or turn Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on. This refreshes the link. If problems persist, restart both the iPhone and car head unit, confirm Waze has location and CarPlay access, and update the phone's iOS or the car's firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.